Well, another beauty day in the Carolinas. It's gonna be hot as Hades again though. I think I really figured some stuff out yesterday, and I thought the best word in the world was one word: no. Just because it gets you out of a lot of situations. All you gotta do is say no. It's cut and dry, plain and simple. People just take it, and there ain't really much they can say about it. But I think my next favorite, or I think it's gonna be my new favorite, because I think I got it figured out. It's dang, I forgot it already. I guess I'm screwed. No. It's fucking let go. My new favorite word is let go. What I did is I sat there and I was starting to feel funky again, depressed and all that crap. And I sat there and I wrote down all the things that gets on my mind. Stupid shit, like I guess I'm just conditioned for like selling things and freaking I guess I was worrying about what other people think and shit too, and all kinds of stuff. I wrote down a bunch of things in there, trying to think of like booze and shit to get my mind off things. Not that I was drinking much of that either, but worrying about getting money, and there ain't no point in worrying about getting money, because money will come. And like I say, if I can just each time these things get on my mind, like I say, I had probably 10 or 12 things written down. One of them was sorrow and mourning, but I'm sure I'll still think of those things. But if I could just, let it pass through my head, I'm kind of excited. I got some ideas, things I want to do. And that was another thing I was thinking about too, was what the hell I want. And I don't want to run around worrying about things, all kinds of stuff. But I think what I really want is a big ass RV. And I'm thinking about that trailer up there, using that driveway that's right there. Cut me a driveway coming through here, and have it, I don't know, circle or whatever, come right through here and circle back out, and then letting this one grow back up, and then right up front where you come in on this drive, I'll level it out, and that's where I'll pull my RV. And I'm thinking about going ahead and just renting both these out, because I think a lot of it is hanging out around here without where the wife's been and where all the memories are. And like I say, if I ain't worried about money all the damn time, which I shouldn't be, because I got incomes and things are going good, I'll freaking I got plenty of time to find good tenants, if there is such a thing. But I don't know, if I just gotta let go. And since I started this, it's like I kind of was going through that stuff before I went to bed and stuff, and I actually woke up thinking, not about fucking what I've lost and all this stuff, and just being thankful for what I have. And I ain't saying let go and don't do nothing. I'm just saying let go and quit worrying about things. Because, man, it sucks. And then you're running around trying to get everything done. If you just take care of what you can and what you feel like doing and let go. Stop letting your mind get up on you. I don't know. Hopefully that's good words of wisdom. I think I'm pulling through this stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong. I still miss her dearly. But I mean, wide open, man. Explode. Take life. I'm gonna take life by the kahunas. I don't know, man. Like, share, subscribe. I ain't been working on them ebooks yet, but I got that one ebook down there, how to make a basic ebook. Dang, it's free. They asked for a donation, just put 0 in there. I don't know, boy. I ain't trying to make no money on this YouTube channel. I think it makes me feel better, venting and talking and, I don't know, sharing. Hopefully people don't have to go through this. You dang, I mean, be ready. I mean, because death is part of life, and you get attached to people and things, they just gonna hurt you. Where if you keep an eye on things and maybe, you know, think once in a while, what would I do if they were gone or whatever. But I'm gonna break out the weed whacker. Dang, I didn't grab no dang safety glasses. I'm gonna get cleaned up around this trailer and around this cemetery. I want to get these stumps and all them roots pulled off out of there. Get that all cleaned up. I'm gonna get that cut down, get rid of them 2 stumps there probably. And I want to get a bench, and right behind that cross, just to the left of it a little bit, because I'm gonna be on that side. I'm gonna get a willow tree up in there. Got some snapdragons coming up in here. I think I'm gonna let them grow up, because the cemetery don't start till the, yeah, you can't really see them stakes. There's an orange thing on the ground over there. Anyhow, the dang lawn needs cut again up here. Dang, I hate to walk all the way back down on them safety glasses, but I guess I don't want to lose the eye either. I got some people coming for wood, and they'll probably show up when I get back down to the house. I can tell it's gonna be a 2-shower day, 'cause damn. Dang, moved that trunk yesterday. I feel my back now. But you gotta have a plan. I think I figured this one out. I'm gonna give it a few days, and like I say, I'm gonna read over that list before I go to bed. Things to let go, and then I gotta think of things to fill the hole. And like I say, thinking about a new RV and setting up a new campsite kind of gets me excited. And just have the, I guess I get me one of them damn car trailers. I want to fucking, that way I can take a vehicle with me if I end up leaving state or whatever. There's so much in this state though that I haven't seen that is cool, looks pretty cool online. People are like, if I want to travel, I'll just look online. I was like, there's no comparison to the real thing, boy. You don't get that uplifting feeling. But I'm just gonna go on about my business and treat every day like a holiday. And I guess quit searching for people I guess they'll find me. I go out once in a while and who knows. Like I say, sometimes I wonder if that's really what I need. I just kind of been scrambled brain, and I think this is gonna clear it up. I really truly do. What could possibly go wrong?
After you're done watching this, you will start to question your entire life. Scientists took a pike and dropped it into a tank with a glass divider down the middle. On the other side, there were smaller fish, swimming freely and completely out of reach. The pike sees them and it strikes again and again, slamming into the glass it can't see, it can only feel. It does this for days. Every single time, the same wall stops it cold. So the pike stops trying. Then the researchers remove the glass. The small fish drift right past it now. There's no barrier, there's no wall, nothing stopping it. But the pike doesn't move. It could eat in one strike. It just stays exactly where it was, starving next to food it will never touch again. That wall didn't stop the pike. The memory of the wall did. You are still flinching at a wall that got removed while you were not watching. It's that version of you that got hurt and believed that that pain was forever. But that wall had a date on it, and that date already passed. You just never went back to check. The wall only works if you stop swimming towards it. Where in your life are you still avoiding something that isn't even there anymore?